Flaps. Flaps. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now starting our descent to our destination. The weather is good. Enjoy the rest of our flight. Flaps. Gear down. Cabin crew, prepare for landing. Flaps.
2000.
Tower, good day. Full established runway, 07 right.
Good day. Wind, 264 degrees, 2 knots. Clear to land runway, 07 right.
Clear to land runway, 07 right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just been cleared to land at our destination. Please make sure one last time your seatbelt is securely fastened. The flight attendants are currently passing around the cabin to make a final compliance check and pick up any remaining cups and glasses. Thank you.
Approaching minimums. 300. Minimums. 200. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Tower, runway vacated.
Contact, ground, on, 121.900.
Roger. Ground, on, 121.900. Ground. Runway 07 right, vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate.
Wilco. Flaps.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your destination. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles clear until we are parked at the gate. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items, since articles may have shifted during flight.
Ground. Approaching gate, switching off.
Roger. Close at 2-4.
Have a nice day. Cabin crew. Prepare doors for arrival and crosscheck.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have not yet reached the gate. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Thank you.